In this part of assignment, we have to make a temperature and humidity sensor to work on certain conditions we provided to it. For that, we need to give it instructions in coded form.
So the default source code written are to be manipulated in such a way that the LED connected to the pin 13 blinks according to the conditions provided. So here I have manipulated the source code and gave it instructions in coded form to run the specific conditions. So the pin 13 has been configured as the output. Its voltage is set to corresponding maximum value to be high and 0 volt to be low. For the selected ranges of temperature and humidity, on and off conditions are written by the delay functions.
Now we need to compile the code. For that, we'll go to this build option and click on build project. And you can see here it is being compiled. So as it has been compiled successfully, we need to run the simulation. As per case number 4, satisfying the temperature and humidity range, we can see this LED blinking. As per the humidity and temperature ranges provided in case 3, we can see that these values lying in those ranges satisfy and the LED blinks accordingly. Hence, we were successful in generating the code required for the required conditions and the LED blinked accordingly. So here in this project, we see a virtual simulation of a continuous wave. So for that, we need to generate it on pin 13 and observe the signal using the oscilloscope. Here in the source code panel, first we set up the LED at pin 13 as output, and for that we enter the required code. Now the various conditions provided in the assignment are to be written in this void loop function. For that, we need to remove these conditions. After we have written the required conditions in coded form, we need to click on build option and click on build project. So these all data will be compiled and it will show compiled successfully if it is correct. In the schematic capture option, we need to connect this oscilloscope to this pin IO13. After we have connected this, we need to run the simulation. And when we observe it through the oscilloscope, here in this oscilloscope I have set this to 0.3 millisecond and the voltage to be 20 millivolt and this to be 2.87.
In the oscilloscope, we can see the crest as the on time and the line which is at mean position to be off time. So here in the oscilloscope, you can see that the LED bulb is on for 0.5 second, then off for 1 second, then again on for 0.25 second, off for 0.5 second, and then again on for 2 second, and in subsequent it will be off for 4 second. So hence we are able to generate the particular wave as related to the conditions.